This is how to contact Manus AI. From your dashboard, go to your profile located at the bottom left corner. So just click your profile, choose Get Help, and here on the lower right corner, you can see a chat icon. Just click this one. And here you can chat with an AI and ask them your inquiries or problem. You can just say, I have a problem with my credits. And the agent has replied, and you can continue chatting with the AI until your problem is solved. So this is how to contact Manus AI.